Bakersfield, California, guys. It's the Kern County Sheriff Department. So the Sheriff Department patrols the east side and Oildale, certain parts of town. They get called. These guys will come out. As you guys can see, they're out here in full force. And there's other parts of town that Bakersfield Police Department gets called out. So. Call on the radio was that it's shots fired. I have no idea.
There's more. You don't have size still. Huh? I know. I mean, what if you just see somebody come over with a Drake and you try to bust him? I'm running. I ain't getting shot. No, I'm gonna sue the police department for not safety. Huh? That's just nah. They're gonna just say that's it. Nah. He didn't pull up nothing. They're searching him. If you don't have nothing, there's something to say. Yeah. Yeah, he ain't got nothing on. They have to. They have to go outside.
And all these motherfuckers got here quick.
I know, huh? It was just one at first, or were you over here?
No, I was like fucking about 5 minutes away, and I heard the call. I'm like, yeah. I was just I drive around looking for cops and shit, so I can record this shit.
I think I seen you shit.
Yeah.
You going live on Facebook?
I'm on live on YouTube right now.
Oh, YouTube? Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
check out San Joaquin Valley Transparency.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I do got you.
Yeah.
I do.
I donated twice.
Huh. I subscribe. They're telling them to come over, hands up.
This is the Kern County Sheriff's Office. If there's any residents inside 809 Water Street, come outside with your hands up unarmed.
What's up,
The one in the front, I think, or the one over there?
This is the Kern County Sheriff's Office. If there's any residents inside 809 Water Street, come on out with your hands up unarmed. We don't want to hurt you. We want to assist you.
Look at that. Dude, they got some chocolate. Where? Oh, they do that laser.
Damn, like that.
They use them.
They ready to kill me.
They ready to fucking.
Look, I see 5 people lined up like this, a fucking firing line.
I know.
This is like 1970s murder.
I know,
Enemy.
Right there, all those people with the guns. Oh, they're going in.
Oh, shit.
There they go.
Damn, with the
And
shield.
this is how they come to my house for me. What the fuck?
Dude.
Watch, they're gonna tap shoulders. Watch, they're gonna tap shoulders.
Yeah, I know.
Watch. Watch when they tap shoulders, dog. That's what they did to my house, dog, when they come for me.
Damn.
They turn on every time, dog. They're like this, tapping shoulders.
But
Yeah,
shouldn't the shield be in the front though?
Yeah, fuck.
Why is he in the back?
Because it's shield only for that one guy, dog. We don't care about his partner.
Oh, then they got pistol. Wait, look at this guy, dude.
Hey, ask the guy if there's anybody else in there. You fucking idiots.
Nah, he ain't gonna. What do you think he's gonna snitch?
Right, yeah, no shit on.
Look at everybody keeps missiles. Hey, this is like a normal thing for us though.
Yeah, no shit, yeah, every day out
Water
here.
Street right
No,
here.
no, I swear, like right from, it's either Water Street, Oh, I know. That's crazy. I wonder how long they've been right here. Look right now. They just when you got here, they were all here already.
They were like, some of them were still pulling up when I got here, so they've only been here for like maybe 10 minutes the most.
They gonna be here for a minute.
Possibly, yeah. They're gonna search the whole house and
Yeah,
everything.
they gotta search for weapons and everything. Huh? No, they haven't went in yet. They're still right there. I think there's somebody in there. Oh, now they're going in. Look. Now they're going in.
There they go.
No, they just keep the chair down.
They sent the rookie in or what?
Huh?
They sent in the rookie, huh?
First? Rookie first, that's fucked up.
I think to just like prove like somebody like
Yeah.
see, like
Well, they do that to training too, cause
Yeah.
they see if they're really, you know.
they're,
Or like if you don't
people.
play by their rules
Yeah,
and
you're
shit.
fucked.
Yeah. If you're the department snitch, you're going in
Oh
first.
yeah, hell yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe be like you diverse. Maybe be like you diverse. Nah, they ain't nobody in that house. I think that's it. I think it's just him. Think so? Nah, let's see if they cool. If they don't look like they're going in, they have their hands down and shit. I don't think anybody else is in
Tattletale bitch.
They're like, yeah, he shot at me and ran in there and shit.
I drove by and shot the gun. Somebody said there was gunshots though?
Yeah.
I didn't hear shit, and I live right here. Down the street.
No shit. Yeah.
Yeah,
No,
their radar did.
the call on the radio said that there was shots and
For
shit.
real?
Yeah.
Oh, you had the scanner too, huh?
Yeah, I was driving around looking for cops and shit, and then I heard the scanner.
And you came over here.
It's probably the guy's kid.
It's the sun.
The son fucking
Somebody shot somebody. My dad has a gun.
snitching on his dad. Alright, bro.
Alright, yeah.
It was nice.
Stay up, guys.
Yeah. What is it called?
San Joaquin Valley Transparency.
San Joaquin.
Here, let me give you my card. One of the homies is already subscribed and shit. Deputies are in there sniffing chonies, huh? They brought a ride-along. Imagine the ride-along gets shot right in the face and shit. Fuck. They're all coming out. What up, people? We're out here in Bakersfield, California. There's a call out here on Water Street. of shots fired. There's a call of shots fired, and they got the suspect in the back seat right there. They had all the guns drawn. They went inside, they searched the house. They didn't find anything else, so they came back out. So yeah, we have this deputy right here talking to the guy in the back seat. That girl in the black shirt with the blue pants, she's a ride-along. I think, if I'm not mistaken, they were gonna try to drop her back off at the department, from what I heard on the radio, but they decided to bring her along. And you know, good thing she didn't get shot in the face, huh? Shit. Yeah, they're taking the cuffs off this dude. Oh, they are gonna put other cuffs on him, I think. Yep. Looks like they're training this deputy. I could be wrong, but I thought they were gonna let him go, but guess not.
Where's the girlfriend? Bring her up.
Oh, it looks like they're gonna go inside the house and look around. They got a camera out. Are they really gonna take in the girl inside with them? The ride along? Shit, looks like they got another ride along in here. I don't know if I'll be trusting them too much with the ride alongs, considering all the shit I've heard. recording the cops that way. Yeah. Lady asked nicely if I wouldn't record her kids, and I didn't record her kids. I told her that I was recording this way. I wasn't trying to be an asshole to her either and be rude and shit and just put her kids on camera for the hell of it. Like, looks like they did find a gun. They do have the guy in custody.